Jelqing is one of the oldest and most accessible techniques for penis enlargement, and today, I'm here to guide you through it. First, let's talk about how it works. Jelqing creates micro-tears in the penile tissue, similar to how muscles grow after a workout. To start, you want to be at about 50 to 75% erection. Apply some lubricant to reduce friction. Now, make an okay grip at the base and slide your hand towards the tip, applying moderate pressure. Each stroke should take 2 to 3 seconds. If you're a beginner, start with just 5 minutes every other day. This helps your body adapt without injury. Warm-up is key. A warm compress or hot shower for 5 minutes increases blood flow and elasticity. Remember, maintain consistent pressure, firm but never painful. Quality over quantity is essential here. Be patient. Noticeable gains take time, usually 2-3 months of practice. For even better results, mix in other techniques like stretching or pumping on alternate days. With the right technique and consistency, Jelqing can be a natural and effective way to enhance your size.